Hello, I'm Jerry Romine, the entrepreneur abroad, and today I'm going to share with you 100 amazing tips that you can actually use. Back in 2015, I sold off everything I owned and left the United States for Chiang Mai, Thailand with a one-way ticket. And since that time, I've been traveling all over the world. Are you ready? Because I'm going to deliver these 100 travel tips at a fast and furious pace. And while I'm giving you the tips, I'm going to share with you some cool locations that I've been to while traveling the world. And be sure to stick around to the very end where I share a secret tip about how you can refund any ticket within 24 hours of it being purchased. And I've never seen this shared anywhere online before. This is a big one. Tip number 1, avoid spending extra money at the airport by bringing an empty water bottle and filling it up after you go through airport security. Tip number 2, and this is a game changer, sign up for Global Entry or TSA Pre and save time when going through the security lines at the airport. Veer to the left at airport security for shorter wait times. Use packing cubes to save time and space. Roll your clothes to save 3 times the packing space. Book window and aisle seats if you're traveling as a couple. Wear cargo pants for free extra storage space. Stuff your shoes with rolled socks to save space. No charger, no problem. Use the USB port on the back of a TV as your charger. Wi-Fi hotspot passwords can be found on Foursquare and Yelp reviews. Scan your important documents like your passport and email them to yourself for a backup copy. Use small containers like pill bottles to store small stuff. Purchase a universal adapter like the one linked in the description. Use credit cards that don't charge foreign transaction fees. Watch my ATM scam video to make sure you don't get scammed by ATMs. Mark your baggage as fragile when checking in so it doesn't get abused as much. Download Google Maps offline prior to your trip. Take pictures of your luggage and clothes just in case the baggage is lost. It'll help you with your claim. If your flight is delayed or canceled, use the airline app to be the first to rebook your flight. Use an empty chapstick container to stash emergency cash. Put as many of your valuables as you can in your backpack or suitcase. This will save you time on the other side. Tie a small bright ribbon to your bags to help you identify them in baggage claim. Use a travel accessory case like the one linked in the description for your power cables, chargers, and cords. Go directly to your gate after you get through security. I've almost missed flights because they boarded early. Download a currency converter app before you travel. Use ATMs to get local currency. Make sure you watch my ATM scams video to make sure you don't get ripped off. Most people are and don't even know it. Be sure to enable private browsing when searching for flights. Airlines track your history, and if you're looking for something, they will charge you more. Put heavy items in your backpack since it is unlikely to get weighed. Request a fragile tag when checking your baggage. This will help so your baggage does not get abused. Bring a shopping bag with you for more carry-on stuff. If it looks like you bought it at the airport, they will allow it on the plane. Did you forget your phone charger? No problem. Go to the airport lost and found. Take a picture of where you parked your car. Use online check-in as soon as it's available to get assigned an early check-on group and to get the best seats. If you have a short layover and are short for time to catch the next flight, ask the check-in agent and the flight attendant if they can move you to the front of the plane. Download movies, apps, music, and games before you board your plane. Bring a headphone splitter if you want to watch a movie with your partner. Remove magazines from the seat pockets for a little bit of extra legroom. Travel with colorful luggage to make it easier to find at baggage claim. Book a window seat for the side you sleep on to increase your chances of getting some winks on the plane. Check your credit cards to see if they offer free perks for the airport lounges. Use the website sleepinginairports.net for airport-specific tips like where to find chargers and the best spots to get sleep. And airport lounge Wi-Fi usernames and passwords at foxnomad.com. Use seatguru.com to find the best seats on a plane. Use expertflyer.com to get seat notifications of what's available. When booking your flight, be sure to order a special meal. This will make sure that you get it served hot and first. If you wait, you're going to be left with what's left over and the selection might be bad. Avoid carbonated beverages when you fly because they cause you to bloat due to the change in cabin air pressure. Use gum or Mentos on takeoff and landing to pop your ears and keep your breath fresh. Be sure to pack your toothpaste, toothbrush, and deodorant so you stay fresh while traveling. Store your luggage on the other side of the aisle so that way you can see it. Wear compression socks to increase your circulation and decrease swelling. If you are enjoying this video, now is the time to smash that like and subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That'll make sure you get notified. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and I really appreciate it. Always bring an extra set of clothes in your carry-on baggage just in case your bags are lost. Smile. It's the most important thing you carry with you and can make the difference between a good flight and a bad flight. Pack your own snacks to save a small fortune. Granola bars, nuts, and beef jerky are three of my favorites. Store your laptop where it's easy to access quickly. Use a laptop sleeve to protect your laptop and store your earbuds, phone, and other small items. Freeze your favorite liquids to carry them on the plane. If they're a solid, they're allowed. If they're a liquid, they are not. Ask the flight attendant for an extra pillow or blanket for extra comfort. Sign up for a VIP lounge. These are lifesavers for long trips and layovers. Dress in layers for maximum comfort. Get a small portable lightweight luggage scale like the one linked in the description. Wear your heaviest clothes, then switch to lighter items after you get through security. Bring a hand sanitizer to help you from getting sick while traveling. Did you know free carry-on items include jackets, reading materials, food, and things you bought at the store? Check with each airline for their separate rules. Red-eye flights often are cheaper and have more seats available. Collect unused hotel toiletries for your own travel supply war chest. Carry a portable charging bank. They are cheap and well worth the money. Use roamtorio.com to have an estimate of how much taxi fare should cost when you land. Open the air vent to increase circulation on the plane, and if you're cold, just point it away from you. Morning flights have less turbulence. Always check for free Wi-Fi at airports, restaurants, and bars. You will feel the turbulence the least if you are seated over the wings. Be nice to flight attendants. They have the ability to make your flight worse or better. Do not get ice on planes. It's known for being unclean and not pure. Sanitize your tray table. It's known to be one of the most germ-infested parts of a plane. You should only use blankets and pillows that are sealed in plastic. Did you know that they're recycled throughout the day? Stay hydrated and don't drink alcohol when flying. You can buy day passes at many of the airport executive lounges. Anything in Lost and Found for over 90 days is usually free, if you ask. Include your flight number on your car rental reservation so that way they know if your flight is delayed. Always bring a small lock. They're a lot more useful and handy than you realize. Avoid sitting in the bulkhead seats unless you want to be placed near screaming babies. Avoid baggage fees by bringing all the carry-ons that you can. Whenever possible, do not book your taxis at the airport. If you walk off the airport premises, you can get a better rate because there are no airport surcharge fees. Track your bags with a really cool GPS tracker device called the Tile. Never wear flip-flops on a plane. In the event of emergency, you want to make sure you have really good footwear. Travel with a hoodie. Just cinch it up to escape noise and light when you want to sleep. Bring earplugs. If silence is golden, then earplugs are priceless. Bring Tiger Balm. It's a medicine of the gods, and it's also a natural bug repellent. Bring an extra bank and credit card. Disasters happen. Be prepared. Let the bank know you're traveling in advance to avoid a block on your card. Always pack your things the night before your flight. Don't put anything in your back pockets. It's too easy to be pickpocketed or for it to fall out just from sitting and standing up. Charge your electronic devices whenever you have the chance. Pack light. It's okay to wear the same outfit more than once. Take extra socks. Nothing beats a fresh, clean pair of socks. When in security lines, always get behind the business travelers. They always move the fastest. In security lines, never get behind families with kids. They always move the slowest. Get a rewards travel card and use it for everything. You'll be shocked with how fast rewards and free flights build up. Tip number 99, splurge every once in a while. Even if you're on a tight budget, you still want to splurge and live an epic life. Just go for it. And tip number 100, this is the big one, how to refund any ticket within 24 hours of it being purchased, as long as it was purchased 7 days or more in advance. So I purchased a ticket from Kiwi.com after reading all of the fine print, and Kiwi.com referred me to the airline's website on their baggage policies, all of the regular standard stuff. Well, it turned out on this ticket, the airlines would not allow me to purchase any additional baggage. So there I was with a ticket from Colombia to the US, and there was no way I could even add baggage to the ticket. So here's a free bonus tip for you. Kiwi.com sucks. Absolutely do not use them. Well, I happened to know about this 24-hour rule, so I went ahead and I called up Kiwi Airlines, and then I filed a dispute with them, showed them the law, the 24 hours. They came back and they offered me $100 on a ticket that was, what, $500 or $600, which was an absolute joke. So I went ahead and I had to dispute it with the credit card company. And when I showed the credit card company the law, ultimately I won. But here's the moral of the story. If you buy any ticket, you have a 24-hour window to go ahead and cancel that ticket as long as it was purchased 7 days or more in advance. And I'll go ahead and include the applicable law that you can look up if you ever need it. It's a great resource. 100 tips. I hope I went fast enough for you, and I really hope you get to use them. Thanks again for joining me, and be sure to check out all of my other travel videos. We'll catch you later.